Welcome to Cortburg Speaks Retirement, an audio podcast about investing in the stock market, financial planning, money management, and retirement planning. Each Wednesday, we help investors at all stages of life learn how to potentially grow and preserve their money from first job through retirement. Now here's your host, Miguel Gonzalez.
Good morning and welcome to the Cortburg Speaks Retirement audio podcast. On this week's audio podcast, I share 4 helpful Halloween lessons for investors. This is trick or treat, Wall Street style. With the spooky season already approaching, you may wonder if there's anything that can be done to enter 2023 as financially secure as possible. This is a great time of year to look back and forward to set goals and track your progress. Here, you will find 4 early fourth quarter tips and tricks that can help investors bring in all sorts of financial treats this Halloween. Number 1, review your year-to-date progress. The third quarter of the year ends on September 30. This occasion can be a good opportunity to revisit any progress made on your financial or investment goals for 2022. Even if you have not set any goals yet, it is never too late to choose a few. Number 2, push towards your goals. After you have reviewed your progress, it is time to look ahead. Can you max out your 401k this year? Do you have an FSA funds that must be spent before December 31? Once you have reached the fourth quarter, the time for you to make changes to your retirement elections or spend use it or lose it money grows shorter. By taking decisive action now, you will be one step closer to meeting your annual goals. Number 3, start planning next year's goals. With this year's goals and your progress fresh in your mind, you're in a good spot to start outlining goals for 2023 and beyond. When setting these goals, be sure to ensure that you are within your control. For example, while you cannot predict the market's movement, you can control how much you set aside. With this in mind, a goal of saving a certain dollar amount or percentage of income is more achievable than a goal of reaching a specific dollar amount in investments. By setting achievable goals, you are less likely to grow discouraged along the way if greater conditions change. And number 4, check your tax liability. If you have sold any stocks or other assets held in taxable accounts in 2022, or if you have received other investment income, you may owe extra capital gains taxes when 2023 rolls around. The fourth quarter is useful to review any taxable sales to see how they will be increased or decrease your taxes. For example, if you sold some stock at a loss, you could use this loss to offset gains on another stock, reducing your total taxes owed. Investment tax rules can be complicated, so it is worth talking to a financial professional if you are unsure about how to reduce your tax liability and to ensure your investments are as tax efficient as possible. Also, make sure to visit our website, www.cortburgretirement.com. Our site is filled with educational videos, ebooks, publications, and financial calculators designed to help you learn more about your finances. As you search our site, send us a note regarding any questions you may have about any particular investment concepts or products, and we will get back to you quickly with a thoughtful answer. This is Miguel Gonzalez, certified retirement counselor and managing partner with Cortburg Retirement Advisors, signing off for this week's educational podcast.
The opinions expressed and material provided are for general information and should not be considered a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Securities offered through LPL Financial. Member FINRA SIPC. Investment advice offered through Private Advisor Group, LLC, a registered investment advisor. Private Advisor Group, LLC, and Cortburg Retirement Advisors, Inc. are separate entities from LPL Financial. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.